Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am preparing a fasting rozen cake. To start, I need 1.2 kilogram of potatoes, which will be peeled and cut into cubes. Cut potatoes are washed, placed in a pot, then water is added. Add a pinch of salt and cook on the stove. While potatoes cook, prepare the other necessary ingredients, and as soon as the potatoes are cooked, remove them. Once removed from heat, drain the potatoes. Drained potatoes are transferred to another bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt, then mash the potatoes. Once mashed, add 200 grams of ground salted crackers and 300 milliliters of vegan mayonnaise. These packs of 285 milliliters are also fine to use. Now everything is mixed. This is an excellent base for any fasting rozen cake you choose to make. In this video recipe, there is no tuna or margarine. Now that everything is combined, if it's too thick, add a bit of the cooking water. Do not throw it out, add water. This is the consistency you should aim for. Now divide this base into 4 parts. In the first part, add 100 to 200 grams of sweet corn. In the second part, 200 grams of marinated mushrooms. That's 1 can of mushrooms. In the third part, add several spoonfuls of ajvar. A cheaper alternative is boiled and mashed carrots. In the fourth part, add about 100 grams of vegan mayonnaise and mix. This part is left plain because it will coat the first and last layers. If any of the fillings are too thick, feel free to add mayonnaise. Finally, taste everything to check the salt level and adjust as needed. The only thing left is to coat the rozen layers. These savory rozen layers usually come in packs of 8, but this one has 7, so one filling will need to be stretched further. Usually I split one of these into 2 portions. Layer them in whatever order you prefer. Starting with the one containing mushrooms. Next, add a little of the filling that has only mayonnaise and spread it thinly. Thinly spreading across the layer. Typically, this mayonnaise filling is used for the first layer and the last layer, coating the entire cake on the outside. This recipe ideally needs 8 layers. Add the second layer, then apply the filling of your choice. For the third layer, add the sweet corn filling. Mushrooms, ajvar, sweet corn, done. Place the final layer, press gently, and cover with parchment paper. On top of the paper, place a board, preferably a cutting board, and add light weight, then refrigerate. Kept some of the mayonnaise filling aside for the coating. After a few hours, remove the rozen cake from the fridge and coat it with the remaining mayonnaise filling. For the final touch, decorate with vegan cheese.